Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency. I'm a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I'm also a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about cryptocurrency. I talk to people about the stock market. Now here is my goal and here is my plan of how I plan to make 1 million shillings in 12 months. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm working on a plan, and I'm working on this plan with people in my inner circle. I have an inner circle. I'm calling it the VIP group. So with these people, we wake up every day. We wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning and we buy coins. So during the day, we also buy coins. So we buy, sell, the same way. You can be buying, let's say, oranges. So you can be buying oranges or you can be buying mangoes. You buy at 5 shillings and sell at 10 shillings. The same way we are buying coins, digital assets, cryptocurrency. We are buying them, and when the price goes up, we sell. We buy, when the price goes up, we sell. And we do that every day. Now, every day we have a goal. And our goal basically is to make $30 every day. $30 every day. Now, if you make $30 every day times, let's say, 365 days, that is $10,000. Yes, our goal is to make $10,000. Our goal is to make 1 million shillings in 1 year. Starting with what capital? Starting with capital of about 1,000 shillings, $1,000, or let's say 10,000, 100,000 Kenya shillings, or $1,000. So our work basically is very simple. We want to grow $1,000 to $10,000 in 12 months. So basically what we are doing is buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins. And we do that in spot trading. We also do futures trading, by the way, where we kind of, you can say kind of bet that a given coin will go up, and if you are right, then you are paid. And you can also bet that a given coin will go down, and if you are right, then you are paid. If you are wrong, you make losses. So I do both stock market trading, cryptocurrency spot trading, and cryptocurrency futures trading. The aim then is to increase our earnings and do it every day, every night for 365 days. Ladies and gentlemen, the goal, that is how I plan to make 1 million shillings in 1 year. In fact, next year the goal is getting harder. So next year the goal then is to make 10 million shillings in 12 months. So how will we do it? You know, this year we are working on making $30 daily. Next year we'll be working on making $300 daily. Times 365 days is $10,000, is $100,000. The other year, the goal is getting even more harder. We plan on making $3,000 daily times 365 days, which is $1 million. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the financial marathon, the Millionaires Club, the Millionaires Academy, where we are doing real stuff and we are making real money. Even though some people are accusing us that we are not living, our work is just to accumulate money, believe you me, we are living, and we are living very well. Otherwise, thank you so much. I welcome you to my inner circle. I welcome you to my VIP group. Come, let us learn, let us practice, let us make money together, and let's become millionaires together. My inner circle is not free. I charge $30 for 30 days training. Yes, I repeat. My inner circle is not free. I charge $30 for 30 days training on stock market and cryptocurrency. Otherwise, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Kwaheri ya kuonana. Oriti. Oriti. Wanere kendo. See you in the next video, and remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to drop your comments. If you have any questions, please drop your comments. See you in the next video. Bye.